Hello everyone, welcome to you all. Do you know what air pollution is? Air pollution means polluted air. When smoke, dust, and harmful gases mix with the air becomes polluted. Look at the busy road. Cars and buses give out smoke and make the air polluted. Factories also release black smoke from tall chimneys. Burning garbage releases harmful smoke into the air. Firecrackers make the air smoky and polluted. Now let us learn the effects of air pollution on humans, animals, and plants. It can cause headache. It can make us feel tired and weak. It causes asthma and respiratory problems. It can harm plants and animals too. It makes the air look smoky and grey. It can damage our lungs. It can cause eyes and throat irritation also. But we can help our earth and reduce air pollution by planting more trees and plants, walking short distances instead of using vehicles, use public transport, switching off vehicle at traffic signals, not bursting too many crackers, not burning leaves or garbage near residential areas, using clean energy like solar and wind energy, keeping our surrounding clean. Clean air means a healthy life. Let's promise to save our air. Thank you so much for watching. Like and share the video, subscribe the channel for many more such upcoming videos. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Link is given in the description. Thanks a lot.